Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to add a logo to your video. Let's first import one quick video. And now let's add our logo, import, and it's under my pictures. We have a sample logo over here, like this. Drag the video, right click on it, go to insert video track, and now drag the logo on top of this. And now to resize this logo, click over here on this icon that says event pan and crop, and you will get this interface. I will now stretch it a bit, and now all you need to do is to increase this circle and move it, for example, on the left side like this, or on the right side if you want. And just close it. And now if I go back, you can see the logo. To increase the duration, just reverse trim over here. And this is it. This is how you add a logo to your Vegas Pro project. Thanks for watching. Drop some likes below, and see you in some other tutorial. Bye bye.